Hi guys, I am Nazmul from Pixin Creation. Today we learn about partial cell reference. In MS Excel, all types of formulas are relatively moved when we copy the formula from one cell to another cell. That's why this is very important to understand the concept of relative cell reference. Today we first try to know about relative cell reference. Then we use a formula and see how it's works. First of all, we simply use a summation formula and try to see how the formula works. Now see whatever formula Excel write for me. But when we copy the formula from one cell to another, then the magic happens. Yes, the formula moved automatically. This we call relative cell reference. Every time we copy and paste, relatively move the cell reference. We use the same trick for row and column side, and every time show the same result. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give us a like and also don't forget to subscribe, and not just subscribe, ring the bell icon so that you, my friend, don't miss any other tips, tricks or tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Till then, make sure that you may keep